Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox controller to the Xbox One. And this is very easy to do. So you can see my Xbox One right here. And you can see my controller. So if I turn on my controller, once I have the controller turned on, I want to go to this top button right here and hold this down. If I hold this down, you can see the Xbox light is blinking. Now, I want to hold down this button on the top. At the same time, I press and hold down the button on the Xbox. So if I look under the power button right here, there is another little power little button. I can press both these buttons at the same time and then let go, and they will sync up to each other eventually. And we can just repeat the process. You can see it's blinking, and this should be synced up. And you know it's synced when there's a solid light. So this should be good. Am I able to move around? So let's just press this a few times. All right, so if it doesn't sync via that method, we do have the option to use a cable. So you can see this little USB cable. This is always the quickest, most easiest way. Just plug it in, just like this, and you can see it's a solid light now. So you can always just connect it with a USB cable and then let go, and it should be connected wirelessly then too. So the most important thing is when you have your Xbox controller on, press this sync button at the same time as you press it on the Xbox, and then let go, and they should both sync up to each other. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.